14x'd my money in under 4 months and then lost it all in one day. That is not a clickbait title right off the bat. Clickbait is when the title doesn't match the content within the video in a genuine way. This is not that. This is exactly what it says, as you're about to find out. And I'm going to share with you how I 14x'd my money in under 4 months and then lost it all in one day. So let's just take a look and let me show you how I did it. First things first, this was done in the Forex market. Now, a lot of people have different opinions on the Forex market. I think like 95% of traders lose in the Forex market, as I have done. But I'm going to show you the money-making opportunity that was working totally fine for me until I got too greedy and lost it all. So we're going to go into MetaTrader 4. So first things first, how much money was it that I flipped? It was $500. I deposited $500 and it got up to past $7,000, and this is under 4 months. So we're going to go to the trading account right here, and I'm going to go to when I started it. I think it was April 20th, something like that. April 20th. It was on April 22nd. I deposited $497.82. So Ethereum US dollar, XRP US dollar, Ethereum US dollar. Basically what I was doing, look at all these blue trades. I mean, this is insane. And this isn't clickbait. I'm not trying to sell you nothing. This is genuinely just the strategy that I used. So I mean, look at, these are all blue, bro. That's insane. Like that's insane. Like in Forex, it's like, and I'll tell you honestly, my own story. Red, 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 red. Bro, this was all blue. That's why losing this account hurt even more, because it was such a beautiful, perfect account. I put in 500 and I got it at 7,000. So what I basically did was, as you can see, Ethereum US dollar, XRP US dollar. You've heard of crypto. If you haven't, look into it. But yeah, it's cryptocurrency trading within the Forex platform, MetaTrader 4. So you're not buying the actual cryptocurrency, you're simply trading the price action. And what I would do is I would try and buy. I never sell. And this is why I didn't have success just trading regular Forex, like US dollar, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, all that. There's no way I'm going to ever have any success with that. Because how do I know whether it's going to go up or down? I have no clue how to determine that. But one thing I do know is the crypto trend is up. It's like real estate. Real estate, the trend is up. Whether you buy on its way down or whatever, eventually it goes back up. Look at cryptocurrency over the last 10 years as the best performing asset in the last 10 years. Like the best. So what does that tell me? That tells me the trend is up. I just need to ride this trend up. Now, do I have other investments that I don't touch, that I'm just like long-term investment? Yeah. But I wanted to get into like trading, and I wanted to get into like a more quicker term making money, like trading. So that's why I've been always traded Forex, but I never really had like a profitable strategy. So this video is to tell you, one, the strategy, and that is possible to flip your money hundreds of percent within a short amount of time on your phone. It's possible. I just did it. So it's 100% possible, but also you have to take into consideration that a lot of people lose in Forex. And that's the second lesson that we're going to talk about, is greed and risk management, things of that nature, because that's what cost me the account. So basically I put 500 in. Let me go to some of these photos that show you, like screenshots that show you like the account increasing. But basically what I would do is, let's say I have $500 in there and I trade a 0.01 on Ethereum. That means every dollar Ethereum goes up, a dollar's going up on my trade. Vice versa, goes down. So I'm like, dude, if this is an uptrend and Ethereum goes up $100, that's $100 for that trade right there. But if I put a 0.05 in, it's $500 because it's $5 for every dollar Ethereum goes up. So the reason I was trading Ethereum because it's so easy in comparison to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin fluctuated more, but Ethereum, it was just like, okay, it's a dollar for dollar. Like if it goes up a dollar, I make a dollar. It goes down a dollar. But I could also be like, oh, a 0.02 is $2 for every dollar, or a 0.05 is $5 for every dollar, or 0.10 is $10 for every dollar. So I was making bank just trading on Ethereum. And here's the thing about it. My strategy, I didn't put any stop losses, because a lot of these, there's drawdown. Drawdown means they go negative before they go up, or they may go straight up. But the whole point is you have to have enough capital in there to where you can survive the drawdown. But if it's an upward trend, the drawdown will not be bad, and you won't so let me just take a look at these screenshots though. Because remember, I put in 500, and then look, I put in 500 April 22nd, April, May, June. This is 2 months later, June 22nd. $1,389. So that's already flipped like almost twice. And then July 30th. Couple more days later, look at these. 858 in profit, 2,160. And it just keeps going up. It keeps going up. And then look, August 3rd. August 3rd. Look at this beautiful strategy. Buying Ethereum US dollar, XRP US dollar. I grew it all the way to 3,800. This is August 3rd. Now, here's the big boys. Here's the big boys right here. Now, here's where I made the mistake. I was disloyal. It was just like relationship mistakes. I was disloyal to crypto. I started trading gold and silver. I saw gold and silver go up, was going up. I was just like, oh, let me hop on this. I mean, gold and silver, whatever. The problem is, the gold and silver is not dollar for dollar, and I didn't know that when I put the trade. I opened a trade on silver, and it fluctuated $100 within seconds. I was like, oh my God, this is way too big. Like, I gotta hurry up and close this before it just vaporizes the whole account. But then it went up a couple hundred within seconds, and I was like, whoa. Well, let me cash that out, but let me just, but look, here's the point. This is August 7th, all right? August 7th. $4,282, but really in profit, $5,500. So I 10x the account at this point. It is August 7th. I've 10x the account. But look down here, XAG. Look at this trade. 0.50, $885 on this silver trade. And then look, 2:03 a.m. Watch this silver trade. You can watch the total up here, but also pay attention to the trade. 885. 2:03 a.m. Look, boom, boom. 10 minutes later, 1,300. And look, it's now up 1,800. So it's like, bro, this went up almost $500. Just that one trade from... 800 all the way to 1300 in under 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, dude. And then there's one more. So see, look, for example, look at this. This was the week of, like the first week of August. Look at the week. $3,700 that I made this week. And it was silver. I was like, yo, silver, gold, like this is amazing. And then I think there's one more photo. Yep, here it is. This is the peak right here. $7,200 right there. Look at all this. All I had to do was click, 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 $7,200. This is August 10th. From April to May, June, July, August. August 22nd would have been 4 months. I flipped this all the way up to 7,200 in August 10th. That's under 4 months. And now, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to see what happened next. And this stupid, idiotic mistake that I made. Because you're seeing it right here. 7,200. I could have cashed that out, withdrawn, been looking pretty. But then an absolute disaster happened. Wah, wah, wah. So then silver crashed. Screw you, silver. And then look what happened. Oh my God. An absolute disaster. This was August 11th, the very next day. And then, boom. Gone. That's what you call margined out. So then, right then and there, I lost everything. So this, like I said, I'd show you how I did it. Tell you exactly how I did it. It was trading cryptocurrencies within Forex, and you're trading the price. You're not buying the actual coin, but you're trading it on like the MetaTrader 4 app. It's a good profitable strategy, as you saw. I got it to 5,000. That's 10x. I could have cashed out. 10x right there. Got it to 6,000. That's 12x. Could have cashed out right there. Got it to 7,200. That's 14x right there. Could have cashed out. But it was greed and it was not proper risk management, bro. I opened up a silver trade and I made a bunch and I was like, whoa, this is good. And I wasn't doing proper risk management. So the lesson behind this video is, one, there are profitable ways to make hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars right from your phone in a pandemic. Like, bro, you saw it. Like, let me go back to the apps so you can see like the overall like deposit and all that. But dude, I put in $490. I grew it all the way up to 7,200, and all I was doing was buying cryptocurrency, Ethereum and Ripple mainly. But dude, like, oh my, all right, so April 20th. Oh, and then I added like $140 more, grew it up to 280, and then lost that all like the next week. So just like whatever. But yeah, look. See, deposit. That's the 500 plus the 140. It says 638. And look at this. Look how beautiful this is. All right, I want you to really see how beautiful this is. Blue, these are all profits, man. These are all trade. Nothing. This is undefeated. Like, this is like unbelievable. The strategy worked. Guess what? I just got greedy here towards the bottom like an idiot. and then it margined out. Because you have to use, look at all that, disgusting. But then look, I started a little mini one. I mean, it's like, dude. But that's what happened. That is how I turned $500 into $7,000 in under 4 months. And then due to non-proper risk management and greed, because I was trying to go higher, I was trying to get to 15K. It was just, God, man, can you imagine 500 to 15K? That was the next stop. All I needed was, I mean, God, man, can you imagine what the other way? Oh, Silver, I hate you, Silver. It's all your fault, but it's really all my fault because I shouldn't have been trading you when I had never traded you before, over leveraging. But it boosted my account up a little bit and then it lost it all. So the lesson is, yeah, you can make money, but you can also lose money if you're not smart. Had I remained smart and just stuck to my strategy and just made a couple $100 a day with that 7,000, I could have kept going. But I wanted it quick, and I wanted, I can just use this trade and I can bump it up really quick. And then it crashed. So, and I didn't use stop losses. That's the thing. Because I am expecting an uptrend, and I'm trading it an uptrend. So I can take down, it's called drawdown, but I'm really expecting it to go up. So even if it dips down and goes negative a couple hundred, I'm expecting it to dip back up, which it did multiple times. It would dip negative before it went deep in profit. But that was the strategy. You saw it. I mean, it was so depressing. I mean, that amount of money was so significant to me that it really is like sad that I lost that account when all I had to do was cash out. But that's how I went from 500 to 7,000 under 4 months and lost it all in one day. Thanks for watching. I'm going to have more videos out about investing and other things. Thanks for tuning in.